Karen and welcome to Tried and Tested. I'm going to be doing another review today. This brand is once again known to have products that are 100% paraben free, they are cruelty free, and they're also super affordable. So I have the face wash, the under eye gel, and the night cream from this brand called Blossom Culture Aroma Magic. In case you guys want to go check out these products, I'll be sharing links down in the description box below. So the face wash retails for ₹95 and you get 50 ml of the product. It comes in this tube packaging and it has a flip cap on top. Now this cap is pretty secure and tight. Actually, I find it a little too tight because I kind of struggle sometimes with opening it. But on the other hand, that's what prevents any leakage from happening, thus making it travel friendly. Now this face wash claims to have some pretty interesting ingredients. So there's grapefruit for one, there's lemon and aloe vera gel that help with brightening your skin. There's vitamin C and beta carotene which help in tightening your pores, and there is palmarosa and neroli essential oils that help with mattifying and revitalizing your skin. So it is a gel based consistency and it is not too thick or too runny. They're supposed to apply a small amount to moist face and massage it into your skin and then rinse it off properly. I use it both during the day as well as the night. Now this face wash is supposed to be for those with normal to oily skin type, and a few seconds back I just read out the ingredients. So the product claims to brighten your skin, to tighten your pores, and also control the sebum secretion on your face. So I'm going to tell you my experience using this face wash. As you can see, I've completely used it and this did last me for a little less than a month. One thing that I have to say for all these products is that I really am happy with the way they are priced. I really feel that they are priced at very affordable rates. Yeah, coming back to how this face wash worked for me, number one, it is a pretty mild face wash and it does not dry out your skin. I did not break out either after using this, which is great. Although it's a mild face wash, it does a pretty fine job of cleaning off all the dirt and grime on your skin. I may not necessarily agree with the claims of the product when it says that it lightens, brightens and tightens your pores. I did not see that happening, but overall I think this face wash is quite satisfactory. I think if you are looking for a mild cleanser and if your skin type ranges from normal to oily, then you may probably want to give this a try. The next product that we have from Blossom Culture is this under eye gel. Now this is priced at ₹195 and you get 20 grams of the product. This comes in this blue tube with a white screw cap, and once you open the screw cap you will see this nozzle that dispenses the product. I'm very happy with the way this is packaged. I think this is super convenient to use because I think that it will dispense the right amount of product and you can adjust the quantity of product that you require. Now the star ingredients in this product are aloe vera gel and cucumber extract that help to refresh the skin. There is horsetail, green tea, and this ingredient called Gotu Kola which act as antioxidant agents that help with tightening and firming the delicate area. Also lavender and lemon oil that help in soothing out the puffiness, that are also supposed to help lighten the under eye dark circles. So obviously this is going to have a gel consistency, but it's still non-greasy and it absorbs into the skin really well. You have to take like a pea size amount of the product on your finger and gently massage it in your under eye area. So you are supposed to use this both in the mornings and at night, but I prefer to use this at night only. Now here's my experience with this product. So I've been using this under eye gel since the last week of April and it definitely does hydrate your under eye area. So I have really prominent dark circles and they are pretty dark towards the inner corner and they start to fade out towards the outer corners. After using this product, I felt like it slightly lightened the outer corner, but it really did not do anything to the dark circles in the inner corner area. Another thing, I felt that it did not really help with soothing or reducing the puffiness of my eyes. I think this product is quite okay. I've done another detailed review on another under eye cream. I'll put it somewhere up on the screen. I may have to give this some more time to see if there are any changes, but for now this is what it is. The last product from Blossom Culture that I have is this vitamin E night cream. This is priced at $375 and you get 50 grams of the product. So it comes in this plastic tub and once again it has a white screw cap and the product is in here. It's really huge and it's definitely not travel friendly. So this night cream claims to have ingredients like sunflower seeds, peach and wheat germ that help with the whole regeneration and anti-aging process. It also has ingredients like geranium, patchouli, extracts of carrot, lotus and olive leaves help to fade your blemishes, rebalance the oil and also enrich it with minerals. So the cream is light pink in color and it does have a thick consistency. So once again I'm going to take a small amount of the cream onto my face and gently massage it into my skin. Alright, and here are my final thoughts on the product. Does it moisturize your skin? Of course it does. Did I break out after using this? No, I did not break out. But that's all the nice things I had to say about this cream. Otherwise, this was an utter disappointment. It's definitely not meant for people who have a normal to oily skin type. I found it really greasy and very oily post application. So far it hasn't done anything to fade away any blemishes. Also, when I wake up the next morning, there's no glow on my skin. So I don't think I would want to reach out for this night cream again. Alright, so that was my overall experience using these 3 products from Blossom Culture. Overall, I found these products quite average. There wasn't a single product that blew my mind, but I would still want to try other products from the brand to see how they work for me. Let me know if you have any product that you would want me to try from Blossom Culture, and let me know your thoughts on this video. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to the channel, share this video and other videos across with your friends and family. Please stay safe wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.